What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be working on this Mitsubishi Galant. This has a 2.4 engine and it's a 2006. The problem that the customer has on this car is she says every time she puts it in drive or in reverse, she feels a lot of vibration. The whole car starts to vibrate. So right now the engine is off. Let's see, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you have a bad motor mount. Alright, so here I'm gonna turn off the AC and everything. I can already feel a little bit of vibration, but if I put it, let's put it in drive and reverse. You can, I don't know if you hear it, but you can hear a lot of vibration. You can even see the steering, you can hear it. Look, as if I put it in neutral, that vibration or that sound is gonna go away. You hear that? If I put it in drive, that vibration is gonna come back. And the whole car is vibrating. It might be kind of hard to tell, but the steering wheel is definitely vibrating bad. Watch, so now I put it in neutral. The vibration goes away right away. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the motor mount on the driver's side. This one is the one that holds the transmission. This one is supporting the transmission, is right next to the battery, is right here. So I'm gonna remove all this stuff, the air filter housing, so I can show you guys how to replace this motor mount, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so right off the back we're gonna go ahead and start by removing the negative cable of the battery with a size 10. We put it to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and remove now the air filter housing. We're gonna be using a size 10 to lose this clamp. We're gonna remove this connector here. Let's go ahead and move these clips of this air tube. To remove this air filter housing, we have a size 10 millimeter here, this bolt, and also gonna remove another one down here, down there, size 10. They're both size 10. You can see there's another one right here next to the computer of the car. That one down there. Oh no, that one is actually just like a push on. You just push the bushing into the little stud, so you don't have to worry about that one. We have the first 10. And then we're gonna lose the clamp just a little bit. So this is the part where there's a bushing and there's a stud down there right underneath the computer. You just have to slide it up and it should come out. So here we have all the room that we need, guys. We can see a little bit damage here on the motor mount for the transmission, and this one is held by 4 nuts. These are size 17. We're gonna need a 17 deep socket to get to it. We have 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. We have to make room slowly so we can get to the part. Right now I'm gonna remove this bracket. This is a size 12 and these bolts are size 12 also. We're gonna remove this little bracket first. Looks like we might have to remove the battery, guys. So because we have this size 17 here, there is the one that holds the motor mount. On this I have a 17, but there's another 17 far back actually underneath the battery, so I'm gonna have to remove completely the battery to get to it. Now to remove the bottom part of the battery, we need a size 12 socket. And now we have access to the 2 bolts in the back. was trying to remove this bracket on top of the mount. But it looks like everything is part of the actual frame. So the transmission mount, we have to probably slide it to the side this way. Okay guys, before I start removing this bolt for the transmissions, I went ahead and put a floor jack holding the transmission, so when I lose the nuts, the transmission doesn't drop by itself. Cut. Apretar el pause ahí. Listo. So I use the size 17 to remove this screw. It's a long screw.
Danny.
Yeah, one second.
Got it.
All right.
Where this sign goes, Pa? This sign. Where this sign goes?
That one is for the bolt. Okay, so to remove these nuts, we're gonna use a size 17 socket with an extension. Vente para acá. Ahí. 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 Ahora se graban aquí. So we got the 4 nuts and 1 stud came out with it. Now that we have the bolt loose, we're gonna drop the transmission a little bit to give us room to be able to take out the motor mount complete. Alright guys, so right now I have the transmission all the way down, basically hanging, and I don't have enough room to take off this motor mount because the studs are way too long to take them out. So in order to remove this stud, I'm gonna be using this tool, the stud remover. I got it one from Mako Tool, and I'm gonna be using this size. This one is 10 millimeter. I'm gonna be using this one to remove that stud. ¿Ves la rosca dando vuelta? Sí. Alright, so here's the stud, guys. Look at this tool. Look at the system it has. So this won't damage the thread at all in my stud. So I'm gonna be doing the same process, guys. Here in the back, I have 2 more studs that I have to remove, and I'm just gonna do this off the camera. Alright, so I got all 3 studs out, and now we can slide our motor mount to it. just basically have to play around in order for you to take it out. So check out this mount. It was completely broken. So this is what's causing the vibration to the inside of the cabin. Don't forget to put your protectors. Pausala. Sin guantes. Here we have our new mount. And go ahead and put the protector. Alright, we line it up already. Before I put in the studs, I'm gonna put a little bit of grease here to help the thread to slide in easy. Okay. You have to go nice and easy. You shouldn't have any problems lining it up. To be able to line up the nuts easy, the studs easy, I pick up the engine a little bit with the jack, so everything line up easier. Okay. I actually lowered the torque all the way down on this one because it's too hard to tighten it with the full power. So just keep in mind that. Keep that in mind. Alright guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. Replacing the motor mount on this Galant. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Remember, the rest of the stuff, just if you look in the video, you're gonna see where the bolts go, and it's pretty easy. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments. See you in the next one.